to play Pok-A-Tok. You will need 1 foam ball, 2 hula hoops, several cones, optional. Method 1. Use the cones to mark the boundaries of your ball court. If there are already markings on the floor, you can use these instead. 2. Secure the hula hoops at either end of the court at about head height. The hoop should face the players, not like a basketball hoop where the hoop faces the floor. The easiest way to secure the hoop is probably for 2 children to hold each side of the hoop. 3. Teams face each other on either side of the court. Gameplay starts when the referee says Pok-A-Tok. 4. Players use their hips, elbows, and knees to hit the ball to their teammates. 5. If the ball touches the floor or a player's hand or foot, the other team chooses a player to throw the ball back and play continues. 6. The game finishes when the player from one team gets the ball through the hoop at the opposite end of the court. Try having the hoop higher or using a smaller hoop if you want more of a challenge.